Welcome to Africa Afro. So this video is going to show us simple techniques on how to pull out this haircut. Some call it a tapered cut. I'm going to break it down for you step by step. Hope you love it. If you don't love it, I hope you love it and helps you somehow. If you don't love it, constructive criticism is welcome. Now before I begin, let me go over the tools that I use. Okay, so we have combs, pair of scissors, clippers, guards, and brush. Hair is too greasy with a lot of product buildup. You want to make sure you start on clean hair. A clean dry canvas is just the best way to go with Afro hair. Personally, it gives me more accurate results instantly. So she's transitioning to natural hair. So I'm removing excess straight hair, and combing is key to guarantee a more even trim. Our canvas is now ready. Number one, know the cut you're going for. So first things first, discuss with your client, your friend, your daughter, your mama, or husband, or whoever you're going to cut, the kind of haircut you're going for. Use a photo, use phone, whatever, to know the kind of haircut you're going for, so that you have direction. So this is her inspiration, something like that. Remember, the curls will not look the same, neither will the length, because different hair types of different hair textures, density, and length. Number two, have a map, a profile, something like that on your head to guide you on the cut you're going for. Otherwise, you may get lost. I've been a victim before. Number three, you want to start from the neck, moving around to the temple. So you're going to start with your 3/8 inch guard, which is labeled right there. So I'm going to start at the back of the head and then work my way around, right at the nape, up and out, up and out. So you just use that motion. Right at the occipital bone is where you come out, just like that. And now when we come to the side, you can see that's the temple. So just imagine an imaginary line right there going to connect with the occipital bone, and basically that's where you're going to curve, going to come out with your guard. And what I realized is that when I target the line, when I come out with my guard on that targeted line, imaginary line, so to say, I realized that the curve goes slightly beyond the line, which is very okay, as you'll see later. So you do just the same for the other side. Going through still with the same gun to make sure everything is even. So now moving to the guard that will leave us 1/4 inch. With this guard, you want to stop somewhere there. Then when it comes to between 3/8 inches and 1/4, you want to blend that line. You don't want a hard line. So you're going to open your guard, 1/4 inch guard. You want to open it so that you blend that area. Then of course we shall proceed with our 1/8" guard closed. Generally, when it comes to short hair, very short hair trimmers are better because they have thinner blades. They are meant to do that detail. They cut very close. No wonder they are great for cleaning their hairline, neckline, sideburns, things like that. And then we shall open our 1/8" guard so that we blend the line between the 1/8 inches and 1/4, so that we have a soft line. Number 4, cleaning up makes a very big difference. If you don't have trimmers, you could just use your clipper blade to clean up, opening it slightly so it won't hurt anyone. Use a little pressure. Don't push the trimmer hard into the skin. To give you that natural kind of worked-in hairline, you want to tip in. Softly remove the hair closer to your natural hairline. Number 5, round off the perimeter as you graduate. No guard, blade closed. So now, since we've created more length at the top, let's focus on the parietal ridge. Let's round it off. Working around this corner, you just want to take little amounts of hair as you soften it. This is a freehand clipper work.